Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you have MacBook, so how to install Golden Gate macOS 27 in your MacBook. It's very easy. If it is not showing, I will show you how to find out and how to install, and after installation, how exactly look like macOS 27 Golden Gate. Let's start. So first of all, you just simply click here System Setting. Afterward, here inside the System Setting, General, then Software Update. Previously, I installed here 26.6. If it is not showing, you just simply click here developer beta version. Afterward, beta updates. Click here and boom, here macOS Golden Gate 27 developer beta is available. You select done. Wait couple of seconds to complete this process, checking the update in your Mac. macOS is showing here 27. You need to spend here around half an hour. Total size of this one 12.37 GB. Click here the update. Just simply agree, put it here the password, and downloading is the start. Depend upon your internet speed, accordingly the downloading is start. We can spend here couple of minutes, around half an hour. So here is the remaining time is showing here. I put it here some of the footage recorded my iPhone. Downloading process is almost complete. 11.14 GB is downloaded. Golden Gate Mac OS. Remaining just only 1 or 2 minutes. Download is completed. Now is preparing Mac OS 27. The showing here to 5 minutes. Afterwards here install, I already installed here iOS 26 beta. So now the change here 27. After downloading completed, we need to install our Mac OS. Just simply restart here, so my MacBook can restart. And afterward we need to spend here, look at this here, downloading. Installation process is going on. macOS 27 Golden Gate is updated. I just simply open here. This is the framework of Diphthong. You just simply click here software update, and here the macOS 27 beta version I install here, and the beta version name is a Golden Gate. It's very easy. Using this process, you can very easily install macOS 27 developer beta Golden Gate in your MacBook. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.